Red snapper.
That's the red snapper. Yeah.
This is red snapper right here. It's filleted red snapper. Salmon. This is salmon. Smoked salmon. Was it filleted? This is red snapper fish. It's juicy. It's tender and juicy. It's plump. Hey, mama.
What you smiling at?
Mm-hmm. So beautiful.
Both of them. Oh, that's why she asked if she did 2 turkeys.
Oh, so you got your new wrap? Is that a new wrap?
No.
That's one of the older ones. That's what I thought.
You want me to go show you? Let's go get it.
Is Malia pregnant? She better be all that goddamn sperm I don't put in her. Thank you. Salud. Gracias. Gracias.
Is this one?
Salud. That's cute. Put it on your head.
I can get some. Because you got some more.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Y'all know I like
I like that on your head. I like it on your head, too.
on my head.
Uh-huh.
That's going to be fire with the bees.
That means very good. You speak that New York Spanish, sis. Sis, you speak that New York. You speak that New York Spanish, sis. I'm thankful. Or what? You ain't hungry now, right?
You hungry? I'm a little hungry.
This is
Eat a little bit. Eat a little bit. Put it up for later.
Because we,
They said, Malia, sit down and eat.
I know, right? Just be quiet and eat. Taste
I'm gonna
it.
eat it. I'm gonna eat all of
You're not hungry.
it. I am.
You're going to make yourself eat. Might as well put it up later. Don't lie to your body.
I'm hungry. I've been snacking on stuff.
Back in Atlanta, baby. Mama Aya is really a breatharian, y'all.
I'm not.
She's a breatharian.
I am not.
And Malia, she a fat girl. Oh, it is vegan days.
Okay, you want? It was open already, though.
You gonna take the risk with my baby and you. Yo, go ahead, eat it. Yo, you a funny nigga, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. I feel
How
bad.
was it?
Oh,
I was
yeah.
like,
She said.
Oh, it's gonna have a gifting option on the next update? I bet.
That's cool.
That's gonna be hard.
Oh,
Fufu is at the camp. She's at the village. I ain't take Fufu with me this time.
hey, Fufu. Peace, God.
She in the chat? I'm not seeing. She's probably busy. Ooh.
See, we sharing our life for free. They could donate to us on IG if they want. Let me see. They still do the pin? On Cash App, I mean.
Oh, I wonder. Oh, that's what I asked you. Is the Cash App in our bio still
Yep, that's his
Because I
cash app.
had everyone put that in there, like,
Yep.
Yeah.
oh, did you put more this in there?
I don't. Oh, we did.
I like that right there.
We don't have. I don't have a badge. I don't have a badge because you have to have a check to get a badge. I believe. I don't know if Malia pregnant yet. I ain't gonna. But we saying it. We manifesting it.
That's how you manifest things. Keep saying it. Keep speaking it into existence. Keep speaking it into your universe.
We've been having some different kind of sex lately.
It's manifestation.
It's been like after you have sex, go to sleep for the whole fucking day. So I think like that's that pregnancy test. That's that pregnancy sex. When y'all come at the same time and then y'all both fall asleep and y'all be asleep and then you wake up at night.
Maybe I'm not. How about the bed? One day I was like, come on, Bobby.
The afro braided my hair.
He did a good
You had
job.
to hop out the bed to get up.
One day I was like, come on, Bobby, we gotta, because usually he be telling me, come on, let's go. I was like, Bobby, let's go. Come on, jump up. And I opened the door, he
And
jumped
jump
up
up.
real quick. Like, come on, we gotta go.
Of course I want her to be pregnant. Hold on, let me go get this stand so I can stop holding this phone.
She's on me, grandma, right here. Oh.
It's so beautiful. We made a beautiful home because we're beautiful people. The hell y'all watching?
This is Spiral.
Spiral?
Yes, they killing all the detectives.
Yo, True, what up, boy? Ain't this the money tree?
No, but let me show over there. It looks like the money tree though.
Okay.
It looks like the money tree.
I felt like we on a virtual video game.
Really? That's exactly.
Welcome to virtual video game.
To virtual beings. Do you want some?
This is your new life.
Virtual reality.
These are your wives.
Hello.
Yes, I'm back in Atlanta. I can't leave Atlanta forever. I love Atlanta. True said he coming to Georgia. Yeah, IG just feels simple, you know?
It is simple. It ain't too much. I control it how I want to. I got all this and that everywhere. So
If people want to gift you, they could just send it to Cash App. Simple!
We got a song for Cash.
Simple!
what's that song?
If y'all want to, look, we going to be on IG. Tell everybody to follow me on here. I'm over here, nigga. If you want to motherfucking gift me, nigga, just put fucking shit in my Cash App.
Okay.
We make our only Bigo, our own Bigo.
Then make
Bigo is the booty crack of the internet. What about Likey? I don't know, man. I don't want to be on those apps. It's too much confusion. It's too much stuff in your subconscious mind. I don't know how to set this shit up. So, you want a picture with me? Come on, let's take a picture. Come to Atlanta. There's just too much going on Bigo. Like, I do like, but they let you talk to multiple people on here too.
Yeah.
Yep, it's like,
I don't know. It's just something.
it's because they have all of this stuff on you. Face all the time. They got this,
Then it make you create drama. Cause it's like all of that going on. It's like more, and then for people,
and
it's
then
like
it's like, entertain me. I gotta do this here, this.
I gotta reach this amount of
I gotta keep
money.
my shirt on.
I can't take my shirt off. You can't touch nobody.
damn, I touched my arm. I'm blocked.
I'm blocked.
Raise your voice. Start getting red flags.
You gotta be someone you're not.
I'm still coming to New York. I gotta come to New York. That's my home. That's where I was born. I was raised out of that water. They say you have a special connection to where you was born forever because of the water. Wherever you was born there for a special reason, and you have a special connection to wherever you was born.
That's crazy. I had just met somebody that was from New Orleans today, and it just lit me up. I was like, and then I heard her say, "Baby," I was like, yes. Like, it just lit my whole spirit up. Like I was just like, wow. It was dope.
Come to the BX. Oh my God. It's something about Louisiana where you gotta go back to Cali.